Alright, here we are. We're in my attic, and this is the indoor Infinity Series furnace, 2-stage heat. Here is the gas line with a settlement trap. Not a lot of companies do this, but this is by code. Media filter on the end here, 4-inch media filter. And here we are, Carrier Infinity. Just wanted to give you a rundown of kind of what it looked like and what the installation should look like. As you can see, the straight lines, solid cast on both sides, as you can tell. Very, very clean looking installation. Black pipe coming out of the furnace. That is code. This is the evaporator coil here. Copper line is going in. Tray pan with a float switch here. And there's the rest of the job. Transition to the supply plenum. Plug work. A very sharp looking job. That is your Carrier Infinity furnace, and we'll see if we can get a view here. There you are. Carrier Infinity furnace. And this is the 4-ton.